When you begin to work inside of InDesign, it becomes incredibly important to understand how you can navigate through your documents pages. I'm working with this InDesign file, which is available inside your exercise files folder. Under the menu directory, you'll find this INDD file. So this document has multiple pages, and it's not uncommon to work with multiple spreads and pages inside of InDesign. We'll talk about the differences between spreads and pages a little bit later on, but in this movie, I just want you to get comfortable with how you can navigate through the pages within a document. The most obvious way, of course, is to simply use the scroll bars. If you come over and scroll down, you'll begin to see the next spread and the next page. You can use the vertical and horizontal scroll bars to navigate through your pages. This, of course, is not an ideal solution if you have several different pages within your document, and that, of course, is not at all uncommon when working inside of InDesign. So what are your options? Well, believe it or not, there's quite a few. The best option probably is to use the Pages panel. The Pages panel is available over here in this docked structure. If you don't see it for some reason, you can come over to the Window menu, and under the Window menu, you can choose Pages. Notice there's a keyboard shortcut, Command F12 on the Mac. It would be Control F12 on Windows. Inside the Pages panel, you have several different options for navigating through your pages and spreads. In this particular example, we have 2 pages, and each page is represented in a spread. I'll just point this out. Now, it's not uncommon to have multiple pages within a spread, but that's not the case with this file. So clearly, an easy way to navigate is to use these icons. If you double-click the icon, you'll move directly to that page. If you double-click the number underneath it, you'll move to that spread. Again, the difference in this document is nothing. It's the same because there's only one page per spread. But if there were multiple pages, you'd have the ability to click on the left page or the right page. Another way to navigate using this Pages panel, which might be a little bit easier, is to see the icons in greater detail. If you come up to the top right-hand corner, you'll notice down towards the bottom, there's something called Panel Options. And up here towards the top, you can change the size of these thumbnails. Right now they're set to medium, but you may want to set them to large, extra large, or jumbo. If you go ahead and click OK, you'll notice they increase in size. That, of course, makes it easier to click on a particular page, especially when a spread contains more than one page. Additionally, you may want these thumbnails to tile instead of just stacking vertically. In the top right-hand corner again, you can come over and choose View Pages, and you can set this to horizontally. Eventually, what will happen is they'll begin to tile. If I go ahead and expand this panel to the left a little bit, you'll notice that second spread moves up towards the top. If I duplicate this spread by selecting it and coming up to the top right-hand corner, and from here choosing Duplicate Spread, you'll notice the next spread appears down here. So we're creating a tiled structure, which certainly makes it a little bit easier to navigate through these pages. Additionally, you can use the Layout menu. Come up over here towards the menu bar, choose Layout, and you'll notice you can navigate from first page, previous page, next page, last page, next spread, and previous spread. And there's all sorts of keyboard shortcuts associated with this. For example, previous spread would be Option Page Up on your keyboard. On a Macintosh, it would be Alt Page Up on Windows. You can also choose Go to Page or use the keyboard shortcut Command J or Control J on Windows and just punch in a number. I'll go ahead and type in 1, click OK, I'm moved directly to page 1. Down in the bottom left-hand corner, there's also a navigation system. You'll notice over here on the far left, you can go to the first page, previous page. Here you can type in a page number or choose a page from the menu, or you can go to the next page or the last page. So there's a lot of different options in terms of page navigation within InDesign, but hopefully these options that I just showed you will make it easier for you to understand how you can navigate your documents.